This is the route up the Helm, surrounding landscape. Kendal over there. A beautiful clear sound, very deep, not too deep though, with some quite high strains of sound, which I find to be quite beautiful because there are some horns which are just deep. With this horn, you can hear it. I don't know, I tend to give each sound an emotion, a soul, and with this horn, with its sound, it's almost grasping, it's trying to fight to reach those higher notes, which is quite beautiful and quite unique. Important to remember that each sound is unique because each horn is unique. There are no two horns which are identical because they're a product of nature. So it is a deep sound, but it's not one of those deep fighting sounds which emanate strength, power. There's a slight sadness to this sound, I think, which is one of the reasons why I love it so much, why I appreciate it so much. Because you see this horn and you think of its might, its strength. You can just see it hanging off the shoulder of some Viking. But then when you actually hear the sound, it's slightly different. So you could say that its outer appearance is quite different from its inner soul, its sound, which is what makes this horn so unique. Now we can try it out a second time, see what you think. Beautiful, isn't it? Very lovely. Now I'll put my hand inside, because when you put your hand inside a horn while playing it, you get a lower sound, a lower tone. So see what you think about that. Slightly different. It's slightly muted. It is a muted sound. Still beautiful. Probably doesn't have the same range, I'd think. So, yes. Lovely. Lovely day out here. Thank you for watching. It's been great. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see some more beautiful places and hear some more beautiful horns. HornMan speaking. Goodbye.